see, one of the lekker things when I'm at home, I've got a personal chauffeur. Malinki, thank you for being my personal chauffeur, baby.
Only a pleasure, Georgie.
So, off to Home Affairs to see if my new passport is is finished. It takes me about a year and a half to go through a maxi passport. I'm a border jumper. But baby Jane,
What's on mine?
I'm a Motsamai. Kaleboa baby for taking me to Home Affairs. So let's go check. So yeah, got this Johnny. But I think I'm gonna reserve my comments for our public service, Malinki. Horrendous. But of only 2 people. More than an hour only for 2 people, But anyways, this is not just a passport. This is my ticket to adventure. This is my ticket to live my life to the fullest, baby? Baby?
Then an hour is nothing, Georgie.
Yeah, let's just say it's nothing. But anyways,
now you can come and buy me something nice.
Let's go travel, they say. Let's go, baby Jane. My private chauffeur.
Wat alles doen.
Ja, doe net alles vir my. Cheers.
Bye.